Hi everyone, welcome back. Second video on collecting like terms. Let's have a look at what else we can do with it. In the previous video, if I said we had 4x plus 2y plus 3x plus 5y, I talked about the x's can be added together and the y's can be added together. But this time I mixed up the order, made it look a little bit different. So the 4x and the 3x becomes a 7x. So the x doesn't become a squared, it doesn't change, and then the 2y and the 5y becomes a 7y. Now I can't go further and make 7 plus 7 is 14 because these are different. Now in real life situation we might find out that x was 7, not pick 7, they're all 7. X was say 3 and y was 2. So you can't add these back together because we don't know what x and y are, so it stays like that. So if I had 5x plus 2 plus 3x plus 5, big question, are they like terms? And the answer is no. Are they like terms? Yes. Why are they like terms? They both have an x. They don't have an x or a y. They don't have an xy. They don't have other details. It's just a normal everyday 5x with a normal everyday 3x is an 8x. And the 2 and the 5 is just a normal everyday 2 with a normal everyday 5. There's no x's, no y's. So the 2 and the 5 is 7. So what if I put some subtraction into it? So if I had a 5x plus a 10 minus a 3x minus 2, and this is where students really get mixed up with the subtraction. That one and that one are not like terms. That one and that one are like terms. So some students say to me, do I go 5x plus 3x? No, that minus belongs to the 3. That plus belongs to the 10. That minus belongs to the 2. So a 5x take a 3x is a 2x. And a 10, now what's this one here? Students will go 10 subtract minus 2. That subtract belongs to that 3. So that subtract belongs to that 2. So that's just a 10 take 2, which is just an 8. And don't forget that's a plus 8. I am going to do this. Some people like to rearrange first. I often talk in maths about rearrange. It depends how people's brain works. They sometimes like to rearrange. So I'm going to write that first. I'm going to write that second, including its minus. I'm going to write that third, including its plus. And I'm going to write that fourth, including its minus. Now to some people's brains it works better, and suddenly they go, now I get it. 5x take 3x is 2x. 10 take 2 is 8. You can see we've got the same answers that we had before. So you just got to be careful which ones can be added and which ones can't. One more, just one further. So if I had, let's go different letters. I keep going 5. Let's go different. 5, 15m plus n minus 2m plus 3m. Let's have a look at that one. So if you needed to rearrange it, you can write that first, write that second, write that third, and write that last or fourth. So if you were like that, if you could do it in your head, you can just go 15m, take the 2n, 15m, take 2m is 13m. Now people get caught and they go n minus 3n, it's not, it's n plus the 3n. So the n plus the 3n is 4n, and I see student after student will leave it like that, and teachers will mark it wrong because you didn't put the plus n in. So that's collecting like terms too. Let's see if